Today we're gonna be cooking on my semi-truck grill, guys. Welcome back to another trucking video, guys. Today I am on the Freeway 40 heading towards Tracy, California. I'm in Newberry Springs, probably approximately like 30 minutes away from Barstow, California. This load that I'm bringing, guys, I loaded this in McAllen, Texas. What I'm carrying right now is mangoes. Hopefully I'm getting unloaded tonight, which is Tuesday night, and tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm gonna go on a trip, guys. I'm going to San Francisco. You guys will see if I get to record it, or I might tell you guys in the next video, but it's actually something pretty big that, thanks to making content, I'm able to go. I am not too sure if I'm gonna cook right now. It's currently 2:42 in the afternoon, or I might make it for dinner. But anyways, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me today, and hopefully I get to make it to Tracy, California, because last time, actually, it's pretty funny because the last time that I was doing this load is when I broke down going towards the Grapevine. So hopefully today I want to record just to see if I get to clear it through this time. My semi-truck actually got fixed. It took maybe like almost a week, but it was just, I was so busy, literally, you know, one day I would go buy a part and then I needed another part. So that was like a lot of just a lot going on. I had to kind of be there with my semi-truck, keep up with all the maintenance, going to buy parts. So yeah, luckily it got fixed. I think it was around a little over 5K that my boss wasted over just going down the Grapevine, breaking down. And yeah, I think it was like 5K. I didn't really get to ask, but maybe a little over 5K. I just entered the Grapevine, literally the 5 going north. If you guys see my last video, you guys know that going down the Grapevine, I actually broke down, and it was actually down here where there was, honestly, I guess the road was just super bumpy and it messed up my whole truck. So let's do this attempt number 2 and let's see how we go downhill. I'm honestly super nervous. Driving an automatic semi-truck versus a gear shift truck, it's super different. Well, at least for me, because I started off driving a manual truck and I basically had to learn how to drive an automatic. I know it sounds crazy, right? But yeah, I basically had to learn, I guess. See, this is the thing about that automatic semi-truck, like, you kind of gotta play, I don't know about like play with it, but you gotta really, I can't stress this enough, you really gotta watch your RPM with this with the automatic truck. You see, it's at, I don't think the camera picks it up, but it's at 17. I gotta keep it between 17. If I let it go more than 20, then yeah, no, the whole thing is gonna blow out. But as of right now, we're running pretty smooth. Gotta check my mirrors, because last time when I was going down, I'm not gonna lie, last time I was going down and I didn't even check my mirrors, and all I seen was just smoke. So I definitely gotta be more cautious this time. You know, it's, things happen with the trucking, so it's part of it. You ain't a trucker if nothing happens to you, because that's where you get all your experience, boys. So remember, if something happens to you in your semi-truck, I know you're gonna get stressed, but remember, there's a lesson behind that. You get experience behind that. So always keep that in mind, because when that happened to me and I had to do all this and all that, go to Tracy, come back like 2 times, 3 times, I was stressed, I'm not gonna lie. But in the long run, when I become an owner operator, I know what to expect. I kind of experienced it, and hopefully I'm not like dumb. Hopefully I'm not that dumb to forget. So yeah, boys, it looks like we're running good right now. I don't know if it's me yapping or my nervous yapping. Ooh, the fan turned on. Okay. Oh my god, I'm literally about to pass where I got stuck at last time. I'm getting kind of hungry. I'm gonna cook. You guys will see what I cook right now. Runaway truck ramp. This is literally, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is literally where I was stuck last time, next to this wall right here. So I was stuck there, and look at the lane. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But it was more over there. I think it was like right before it ended. It was right here where the sewage thing is up. Yep. And then the runaway truck ramp is right here. literally was the next thing that you saw. So imagine, wow, I could have honestly been up the escape ramp. We're making it down the grapevine, guys. It looks like we're honestly making it. Look how beautiful California looks, man. Honestly, every time I come home, I love California. It makes me really appreciate it, man. Guys, we made it to the TA, and now it's finally time to cook on my semi-truck grill. If you guys are wondering how I open that grill right there, it's with this yellow key right here. Ciao. Then we put this little bad boy right here. Boom, boys. Kind of put this. I actually cooked earlier. I had another bag of shrimp, or I had that for breakfast. You know, he's gonna cook the same thing. Put some oil. I got this oil because it just looks fancy and healthier. I don't know. Let that baby warm up. All right, boys. One thing is that the diesel tanks are right next, literally to my grill. You see how close it is? My diesel tank and my grill. But let's cook some shrimp. We're gonna be making some shrimp tacos. Ah, I'm getting burnt. Garlic. I love garlic. I really love garlic. Let's add some red pepper. Let's add some onion salt. And to finish it off, some black pepper. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so bomb. I'm not gonna lie, guys, earlier I forgot to add this cheese that my mom gave me. My mom actually purchased everything here that's provided to cook on today's video, so shout out to Mama Dukes. She's back home, and yeah, shout out to her. We're gonna be putting this cheese on the shrimp. We're gonna be making some little cheese tacos. Imagine cooking some hamburguesas here. Oh my god, some hamburgers. Oh, yeah, I haven't cooked hamburgers yet, but I'm going to now. Earlier I cooked everything like kind of grilled, so today I think I'm gonna just keep it like that. You guys should leave me some comments down below what you guys would like me to cook on my semi-truck grill. I haven't really cooked a lot because I only like to cook in the summer, because I'm not gonna lie, when it's windy and everything, the fuses get turned off from the fire. So if you guys want to see me cook anything that you guys want to see, comment down below, guys. I think that would be really cool. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, if you've made it this far. Everything looks about done. Tortillas are done. I think food is ready to go, boys. Look how good the tortillas gets cooked. It's not a promo video. It's literally me just eating. Onion salad and jalapeno that I made earlier. Let's cut that bad boy up. right. Alright guys, we just finished eating. I'm taking a little break so my food can go down a little bit. This food is way better than truck stop food, guys. If you guys don't have a grill like mine, I recommend you guys to get something from Amazon. My girlfriend gifted me a lot of kitchens that go into my converter. I just plug it right in, and honestly, I save a lot of money on food. And I'm not gonna lie, I gained a little weight. Sometimes I get lazy to cook, but that's, now that I'm bringing it up, that's one thing that I need to improve. And ever from now on to here, I'm gonna meal prep with the new fridge that I got, and hopefully you guys can see me get skinnier. Maybe not that skinny, but lose a little bit of weight, because I'm trying to work on my health. Yeah guys, I'll see you guys right now when we get back on the road, guys. We still got one more stop to go, and that's Tracy, California. Let's go, let's go. Let's put this seatbelt on, and we gotta get out. We gotta make it all the way to Tracy. Our appointment was at 10 p.m. We're gonna be a little bit late. This load, we gotta be there. Boom, boom, boom. But hey, when we're trying to cook, we're trying to cook. And I'm not trying to eat no truck stop food, but I am gonna be opening a Red Bull. Guys, we finally made it to the company. Let's get unloaded, boys. Done about any time now. They're literally pretty fast here. That's one good thing that I like coming to Tracy, to this company. And hopefully I get to make it home, because tomorrow I'm gonna be pretty busy and I gotta be awake. It's funny because the same route where I'm at right now, on my way back home, I'm gonna be coming back to the Bay Area. So I'm literally gonna be here today, but today again. I'm on the phone, guys, with somebody that's really popping right now on the social media. You want to shout out your YouTube channel?
Why are you being that ass?
Yeah, I'm showing you to the camera.
Okay, yeah, follow me at Oscar Espinoza and Barrito on YouTube. Wow!
Make sure to go subscribe to his YouTube channel, guys. He's going to be uploading some awesome content. Now it's time to chill back with my friend Paul, and I'm going to take a nap and just wait to be unloaded. Ya estuvo. Ya estuvo, hijo. Gracias. Muchas gracias.